Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to draw the Memphis Grizzlies logo. First, I'm going to start off with a circle. Scroll over. Let me see if I can adjust the lighting for you guys one quick second. Okay. Now, on either side, I want you to draw two smaller circles that intersect into the larger circle. Once you do that, down here, I want you to add a triangle. Play around with it if you must. And then following up to from the end of your triangle to both ears, you're going to draw, I guess you could pretty much say these are triangles also. Looks more like a shark, upside down shark fin. So draw your first fin starting at the edge and then come down and then do your second one. And then have it come all the way to the ear. Do this on both sides. And adjust the sizes if needed of your ears. And you want to curve the bottom part, kind of like it's a beard. So once you've done that and you got it to the point where you are satisfied, go ahead and darken the lines. Now, take a ruler and divide the image in half. Now, at the bottom of your original circle, I want you to make a small base like so. This is going to be part of the face. So start on both sides, come up, form a kind of rounded off rectangle. And after you do that, on the bottom, try to make it like an oval shape right here. This will be the bottom of the mouth. And then above that, make another triangle, but round it off on the top. Now, once you do that, do two more triangles attached to it that are kind of rounded. Like so. Now, I'm going to do the eyes. Draw two circles above the rectangle. Now, this is the part you really have to pay attention to. Go back to the center line. Come close, I guess, about right here. Put a little dot. That's going to be your end point. Now come back down to where the center line touches the rectangle. And you want to make an eyebrow line like so. Take your time. If you have any other teams that you want to see drawn, go to the Facebook page. I'm taking all requests there. And if you have any feedback for this video or any others, leave it in the comment below here on YouTube. So now you have your, I guess you could call it your unibrow. You want to go back to this line, maybe to your starter dot, and then slowly come down. You see how it's kind of a triangle shape, but not exactly. So you want to make this so, and at the edges, follow the original unibrow line and then connect them towards the end. And adjust it to as needed. Now, for the eyes, turn them into, you're going to carve out their weird shape. So, I don't really know how to best describe this, so I guess like a lump. Now, after you do that, we're going to close the eye off. Let me zoom in for you real quick. Now, you want to close the eye and touch the rectangle, like so. Do this on both sides. Always refer back to your copy of the logo for reference. Now, once you do that, follow it again to the halfway mark on both. And it'll be pretty much where the pupil stops, which will be a little bit further. So after you do that, come down and end it at the bottom. Don't touch it yet. So you're going to bring both lines down a little bit further, and then have them attach at the bottom, beyond the bottom mouthpiece. We are going to come back over here to this side. Go to the pupil, come up a little bit till you touch this line right here. Once you do that, come up some more and mimic it again. And then attach it. Do not attach this part, just attach the end. Now, we're going to go to the top of the head. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. No, the top of the head. You want to make a bulge on both sides. So just come up a little bit, like so. I'm going to darken these two lines right here. And make sure you're drawing lightly. If for you newer viewers, if you're not drawing lightly, when you erase, it's going to be horrible. I have to draw dark, so the video will pick it up. Normally I draw lighter than this. So after you do the bulge, go back to this right here. and you're going to make the curved line all the way till you're almost touching the edge of the circle. Then you want to stop. Now you want to go back to your bulge and mimic those two lines again. Just copy them. And then when you get to this one, follow the ear and connect it like so. And you're pretty much now going to continue this side, mimicking this side all the way over. Then, now, decide which lines you want to keep and erase the ones that you don't want to keep. Because now I'm going to skip along and ink the lines I want to keep. Okay, now that we did that, we can finish the image. Now go back to this ear right here, which we purposely left alone. Make a small little crescent shape. After you made your crescent, you're going to cut it up. You're going to make another crescent inside of it like so, and another crescent, and then you're gonna like so. So once we do that, once you make the lines to the way you like them, go back over and make them permanent. I'm going to ink mine real quick.